I am Dr. Syed Johar, Specialist Family Medicine, CEO and Medical Director of MediFamily Polyclinic, Dubai. Actually, today is as everybody knows, the World Tobacco Cessation Day. So regarding that, I want to talk about the smoking. So everybody knows that smoking is not good for the health. So in this pandemic COVID-19, it is more important that we should know that smoking is not good for the health, and it can increase the chances of getting COVID more. So we should be more careful in this pandemic. So smoking, in any type of smoking, tobacco is not good for health. It affects bad effects from the mouth, from teeth, from oral cavity, and it went into the lungs. Okay, and it injures the lungs, as well as it can lead to cancer of the lung. And it increases the heart rate, it increases the blood pressure, and it decreases the diameter of the blood vessels. So it can cause heart attack, it can cause stroke, and these are the very, very important health issues. And if we will try to prevent that issues, we have to stay away from the smoking. So dear viewers, if you are smoking, any of my viewers, any of my patient, any of my friend, or anybody smoking, this is the best time to quit the smoking, because this is a very important time as COVID infection is spreading everywhere. So the chances of getting COVID infection is getting more in the smokers, number one. And if they get corona infection, the chances of getting more severity is much more higher. That disease become more severe in the smokers as compared to the normals, because their lungs usually already affected with the smoking. So this is the time to quit the smoking. And one thing I want to tell, once you quit the smoking, same time, within minutes, your blood pressure, your heart rate becoming normal, number one. Within hours, your carbon dioxide in the blood is getting lower. Carbon dioxide is also a poisonous gas inside the our blood. So it will decrease. Number third, within days, within months, your lungs are clearing from the tobacco, from smoking, this carbon inside the lungs. So within 6 months, your lungs can regain the normal function. So no need to wait. Please try to quit smoking today. If you feel any difficulty or any help, I am Dr. Johar here to help you. You can contact me anytime. You can see my numbers and email on the screen. You can contact always, and you will keep yourself updated from my videos. Will come in different health issues. Thank you very much.